Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for hopping by to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be all about this makeup look. Yes, I decided to switch it up and show you guys how I got this makeup look, and I hope you're going to love this video because I love creating videos for you guys to see and for you guys to try it out, and I really loved doing this tutorial. I know I have improved with my makeup. I definitely know I have improved. Anytime I'm going anywhere or somewhere, this is how I do my makeup. I don't do a lot. So anytime I'm doing my makeup, I normally concentrate more on my eyes because I like it when my eyes are popping, you know, guys. So I normally concentrate more on my eyes. So I definitely concentrate more on my eyeshadow and my lipstick or my lip gloss or whatever. So those are the things I concentrate on the most. So this is just my what can I say, my day-to-day makeup routine, but this is kind of intense, but yeah, but this is somehow intense because I went really in with the eyeshadow. So this could be like when I'm going out, this is the makeup look I'd be doing. This is how I'd be doing my makeup if I'd be going out for lunch, brunch, or out with my friends. I'm going to link down on the comment section everything that I used on my face. Also, don't like it when my face is cakey with a lot of makeup and all that. So it's just simple. This is something you can try out and let me know if it worked for you. Yeah, so yeah, I really tried, guys. I really tried. Yeah, I'm normally not really confident with my makeup, but because I feel like I still have a lot to learn about makeup, so I really don't like doing tutorials, makeup tutorials, a lot of times because I feel like I'm not perfect. But I came to an understanding that you can't be perfect at everything. Not even at everything. You don't have to be perfect for you to try out something. So I decided to start filming makeup tutorials, but pole pole tu, kidogo kidogo tu, like with time I'll keep on improving and all that. But I'm happy with where I am right now and I just love it. So don't forget to give me a like, yeah, a thumbs up, and also you can comment down below, give me your thoughts on everything and all that. Yeah, a girl tried. Yeah, a girl tried. So yeah.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man.
Is the milk of magnesium. I normally use it before I do my makeup because this is going to help my makeup stay for longer. Plus, if you're someone who has an oily skin, then this is the perfect what should I call it? Should I call it a primer? Because you can do your primer, then do this on top also. So this makes your makeup stay for longer. The milk of magnesia goes for like 200 shillings, so it's not really expensive. So you can go to the chemist, ask for the milk of magnesia, and they're just going to give it to you. So it should range in between 150 to 250. So your face is going to be all white after you finish, so don't worry because this is how it's going to look. But if it really bothers you, you can take a brush, then you can just brush off the white part. So I'm using a concealer in the shade Espresso for my brows, to clean my brows. Doing my brows, I like to extend the concealer onto my eyes. But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one for me, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. I'm going to do the darker shade on my corners around here. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my friend is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. foundation, the shade of my foundation is Chestnut, and this is the Illegal Pro Matte HD High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. Yes, so for everyone who's been asking me about my foundation shade and the brand of foundation I use the Illegal Pro Matte. Okay, so before I blend my foundation, I like to spray this toner on my face. I got it from Sheer Organics. I also put their link on the description box. I like to spray it on my brush, then blend my foundation. It's going to like help me blend my foundation to have a seamless look, for me not to have patches around my face because I've not blended my foundation pretty well. So I'm going to use this glue for my lashes. So guys, I'm a bit trusty with my lashes, but I'm gonna try put them on camera today.
Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they no want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music.
So I'm going to use this setting powder to set my under eye around this area.
But my music fire, they drive them crazy. I want to me one for me, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me ready, every day they say me for me ready. Then they feel me, anytime they see me on the video. They want to see, when me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake cozy. Man a bad man, they can try this. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they no want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know.
So guys, let me know at the comment section what you think about my makeup. Have I improved? Is the girl doing well? Is the girl looking good with this makeup look? So yeah, so until our next video, bye guys.